Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and on this video I will describe about how to providing feedback. But before we continue, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Okay, I will describe how to providing feedback. In definition, providing feedback is the process of giving constructive information or response to someone about their performance, behavior, or outcome of a task. The main goal is to reinforce positive behaviors and improve areas that need development. And the purpose of feedback: 1. To guide improvement and learning. 2. To reinforce good practice and achievement. 3. To correct errors or inappropriate behavior. 4. To motivate individuals to perform better. And number 5. To encourage self-reflection and responsibility. Okay, for the next is principle of providing feedback. To ensure that feedback is effective and supportive, following principles should be applied. Number 1. Be specific, or avoid vague comment like "good job." Instead, say you organized the presentation very clearly and explain its point with strong example. And for the second, be timely, or the feedback should be given as soon as possible after the event or task, while the memory is still fresh, to make it more relevant and useful. And okay, for the number 3, be constructive or not judgmental. In this point, we should focus on the behavior or outcome, not on personal traits. Say you missed the deadline rather than you are lazy. And number 4, focus on improvement. Feedback should offer solution or suggestion, not just point out what went wrong. And for number 5, balance positive and corrective feedback. Don't focus only mistake, highlight strengths too, to keep the individual motivated. And for the next one, number 6, encourage dialogue. Allow the recipient to ask questions or share their perspective to promote mutual understanding. And for the last, use empathy and respect. Choose the right tone and words. Feedback should be delivered with kindness and professionalism. Okay, and in this point, I will be describe about the method for providing feedbacks. So, feedback can be delivered in various formats depending on the situation, relationship, and context. And here are common methods. For the number 1, verbal feedback. In this point, how to deliver face-to-face or in meetings, it allows immediate clarification and emotional expression. For number 2, written feedback. In this point, to provide through comment on assignment, report, or email, it offers detailed, thoughtful response that can be reviewed later. And not just to point at method in giving feedback. For the number 3 is one-on-one session. In this point, describe a prepared conversation between two individuals to discuss performance in depth, often used for employee evaluation or mentoring. And for the number 4, group feedback. How to deliver to a team or group, useful for collective activity of group project, caution, ensure individual accountability, and avoid shaming anyone. Number 5, peer feedback. In this feedback from classmates, colleagues, or team members, It promotes collaboration, reflection, and active participation. And for the last in the method, number 6, feedback sandwich method. A structured way of giving feedback. Number 1, start with something positive, add a constructive critique, and end with encouragement or another positive comment. Okay guys, and for the last, I will describe about the example giving feedback. In this example, I have two situations. For the number 1, in educational context, student and teacher. In positive way, you demonstrate a very good understanding of the topic. Your explanation was clear and logical. In constructive, your writing is good, but try to pay more attention to grammar and spelling to improve clarity. And in feedback sandwich, your presentation was engaged and the visuals were effective. Just be mindful of the time limit. Overall, you did a great job and show confidence. And for the second, in workplace context, employee and manager. In positive way, your weekly report is very detailed and helps the teams track the project progress effectively. In constructive, you complete the tasks on time, but it would be better if you could coordinate more frequently with the team. And for the last, in feedback sandwich, I appreciate your initiative on this task. You might want to improve the formatting of the report, but overall your contribution is very valuable. And maybe that's all for me guys, and I am so sorry if I have many mistakes, and I will be say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to like my YouTube channel. Bye.